Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare the Suzuki Swift versus the Honda Jazz GD3. We'll dive into what makes each of these popular subcompact hatchbacks unique, examining their performance, interior features, and overall driving experience. By the end, you'll have a clearer picture of which car aligns best with your priorities, whether you value sportiness, practicality, or a blend of both. Let's get started. When it comes to what's under the hood, the Jazz GD3 often comes with a 1.3-liter or a more powerful 1.5-liter engine, the latter delivering around 108 horsepower. 924 The Swift, depending on its variant, typically offers engines ranging from 1.2 liters to 1.5 liters, with horsepower figures often around 90 to 100. 6 This difference can translate into a slightly more spirited feel from the larger Jazz engine, while the Swift often prioritizes nimble efficiency. Inside, the Jazz GD3 truly shines with its innovative magic seats, offering unparalleled flexibility and cargo space, often over 380 liters with the rear seats in place. 24 The Swift, while comfortable, typically provides a more modest cargo capacity, usually between 213 and 265 liters. 14, 25 both offer practical cabins, but the Jazz often takes the lead in sheer versatility and clever storage solutions, making it a strong contender for those needing maximum utility. On the road, the Swift is often celebrated for its engaging and agile handling, providing a more spirited driving experience. 10. The Jazz GD3, conversely, offers a very comfortable ride and excellent visibility, making it a superb choice for urban environments and daily commutes. 9 Both are known for their reliability, but your preference might come down to whether you prioritize a fun-to-drive character or superior interior flexibility and comfort. Consider your daily needs to pick your perfect match.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.